Hi, I've got another variant called Seekit Loop. I've got it for my car keys. Let's see what all it offers. You can attach it with various things like wallet, key, backpack, also with camera, laptop, luggage, handbag, many things. Okay, on the back you can see that this device works with an app and it's got a lot of features. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so there's a device and an envelope. The device seems very handy, especially for the car keys. And what's inside the envelope? Okay, it's got some content, which is a quick start guide, complimentary keyring, envelope for service response, and there are some add-on experiences. One is OneAssist wallet protection service if I'd like to secure my wallet after theft, fraud or loss. And there's something very interesting called GameZop, so I can play and earn rewards. And on the other side, there is a 3-step simple process how to connect my device with the app. I'll come to that in a bit. Let's see what's inside the envelope. Let's start with this. It's OneAssist. For those who don't know, it's a very cool and useful thing in just Rs 11.99. It's a wallet protection plan to protect all your credit and debit cards against theft, loss and fraud. Okay, let's see what are the key benefits. It is available with 24/7 on-call assistance, and there are some very nice features. One call to block all cards, pre and post reporting cover up to Rs 1 lakh. We also have emergency travel assistance, DocuSave for document up to 1 GB, and free replacement of government IDs. Let's see what this is. It's called GameZop, so I can play games and apparently win rewards too by playing games. Who knows, I will get my next Seekit for free. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is a key ring. Small little thing, but looks very convenient that I can put it in my car key. Very nice. This is a service envelope. Thank God, I was wondering what would I do if I face an issue. So you just follow the instructions on the envelope and dispatch your device to this pre-printed address. And if my device is under warranty, I get the replacement for free at my doorstep. Wow, it's very cool. Okay, let's see what this is. This is a quick start guide. Let's see what's inside. Okay, it's got product specs, connection process, some Bluetooth related information, and alert modes, in addition to many other important details. Okay, now let's move on to the connection process. Download the Seekit app on your mobile phone from Google Play Store or Apple App Store and create an account. Press the button on Seekit device till you hear a beep and bring your device closer. Tap the Add Your Seekit button in the Seekit app and set up. Now tag, connect and find.
Panasonic.